Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can overlay a different video over an already existing video in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have this singular video of two horses going along a road, and I'm just going to cut it up and use the second segment as an overlay. For example, I'll cut it here right halfway, click cut, and after I do that, I'll just drag this and drag it above this video, and it'll create another video track. And now if we go into the edit screen, as you can see, those two are definitely overlaid. One is overlaid over top of the other. Let me just delete these audio tracks so that I have more space. And okay, I can delete that one. But yeah, as you can see, I have them overlaid one over the other. However, this one is covering the bottom one. Now, how do we fix that? Firstly, what you can do is you can zoom out of this video and drag it over into another part of the actual video by manipulating in the inspector the data of the position and everything. And as you can see now, if I play it, it is overlaid one on top of the other. However, there is also another way, and that is to change the actual opacity. And if we go into composite, as you can see, composite is normal, and if we change the opacity, I can fade it out. And as you can see, if I play it, it'll be overlaid over the other video as well. And that's pretty much the main two ways of overlaying videos on top of each other. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.